Hello, today I will show you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account using PayPal site on your mobile phone. Here is the way. Open the PayPal site, enter the username and the password, press login. Now you are seeing your PayPal account. It shows the balance which you have in your account. To transfer your balance to your bank account which is linked to your PayPal account, just press transfer money here. Here you should choose from where you want to transfer money. In our case we choose your balance. Then here you should choose where you want the money goes. In our case we will choose our bank account which is linked before to our PayPal account. Here we will enter the amount which we want to transfer. You can enter all the balance or just a part of it. PayPal tells us it will take just 1 business day. Press continue, and wait for a while. Here you can review your transaction before you press transfer. Now we will press transfer. We will see this page which says transaction is success. Now press done. You will get shortly an email with all the transaction details. And that is everything. If you liked my video, please press like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Bye.